Free up time and save a peace of mind with Lawna. Lawna allows you one less chore in your busy day-to-day schedule. Your wire-free perimeter robot mower is very simple to set up with just one click. Saving time and money, Lawna will take care of your lawn while you relax. Easy wireless setup lets you draw a map of your lawn directly on the app just by going for a short walk with your new robot around the perimeter of your yard with almost twice the efficiency of the standard mower. Intelligent, orderly mowing allows you to never miss a blade of grass by selecting a perfect setting for your lawn's health and aesthetic. The Lawna lets you divide your yard into multiple sections to define and calculate the optimal mowing and growing plan for your diverse lawn. Instead of having to bend over to adjust the cutting height by hand, this lawn care robot's unique electric cutting deck can be adjusted via the app, again saving time and your lower back. Lawna has real-time enhanced safety features that will detect and avoid obstacles to prevent collisions. In addition, when pets, kids, or adults approach the machine, the Lawna will immediately stop spinning to keep you and your family safe. When your mower senses its power is lower than 20%, it will automatically return to the charging base, recharge, and then instantly return to work. Lawna does not stop until the job is finished. This lawn care robot can automatically adjust its mowing path to prevent long-time crushing and damage to the lawn. Live free and easy with Lawna.